Namaste and come with me to Chandreshwar Bhutnath Temple in South Goa, located on top of a hill called Chandranath Hill. When you reach this arch, you know you are close to the temple and the climb is about to begin. The first temple that you meet here is that of Shankh Bhairav, one of the four Bhairav temples that surround this temple. Little after the Shankh Bhairav temple, we meet two other Bhairav temples called Kal Bhairav temple and Siddha Bhairav temples. These temples still exist in their ancient form, small little temples holding a small Shivalinga inside them. This is also where the staircase to go to the temple begins. You have to climb about 300 stairs to reach the main temple. But before that, you must see these two temples, which are also located close to the temple tank called Kamandalu Tirth. This is one of the many tirthas that exists around this temple, but this is probably the easiest to reach and see. I saw a lot of these small little stone artifacts which probably belong to some ancient temple that existed here. You can spend 5-10 minutes here looking at the ambience, looking at the climb, looking at the place where the priests stay, and where there is a huge bhojanalaya. A little above, you will find another small Bhairav temple. I could not gather the name of this temple. Keep climbing and you will start seeing the wall of the temple very soon. Once you reach the wall of the temple, you will enter the temple through a small yellow colored gate. Do not forget to look below that gate, because there exists an ancient stone door jamb. Inside the temple, on the right, you see the temple, an old tree, a small deepstambh in yellow, and on the left I saw many newly carved murtis waiting to be installed in the temple. Let's move to the temple itself. This mural of Sagar Manthan, or churning of the oceans, is the distinctive mark of this temple seen on its entrance. It depicts the origin of Moon, the god who is the presiding god of this temple. Moon, as we know, came out of the churning of the oceans. This is inside the temple, beautiful wood carved temple with stone murtis of different devatas. This is Bhutnath temple, which is in its original form in the form of a stone. This is Chandreshwar and Bhutnath as they are depicted in the pictures by the temple authorities. Outside the temple, there is this huge boulder with Yagnashala. As we start moving in a clockwise direction around the temple, the first thing that you would notice is a beautiful Tulsi Chaura, which is on the side of the temple, and as you walk around, the boulders and the valleys start making an appearance. Just behind the temple, there is a stone wall that has been recently built, it seems. You will see beautiful landscape of Goa, but before that, look at the temple walls built in a typical Goan architecture, bright yellow color, a hexagonal cylindrical dome with a golden kalash and a saffron flag on top. This stands out from a long distance. Chandranath Hill, I am told, is the highest hill in Goa, which makes this temple literally sit on top of this hill, the highest point in Goa. On the other side of the temple is this old tree and this small deepastambh in yellow color. Now this looks smaller compared to the size of the temple, but remember, the old temple was a smaller temple, which is now the Garbhagriha of the temple. Behind this, you see these two sheds which house the four beautiful chariots of the temple, one of which is in silver. Let me take you to the Tulsi Chaura once again and show you some of the old stone pieces that I saw there. This is a Shivling with the Paduka marks, a stone piece, a Hanuman Murti which looks ancient, an old Nandi in stone which was the original Nandi of the temple. Enjoy the scene from the Chandranath hill on which this Chandreshwar Bhutnath temple is located before we head back. Visiting Chandreshwar Bhutnath is like visiting a piece of ancient history of Goa. It was time to head back, climb down, and meet a couple of other deities that surround this ancient temple of Goa. One of them is located just across the Kushavati River Sateri temple, which is a small temple, but about 2 kilometers away there is a beautiful Chamundeshwari Shanta Durga temple dedicated to the two goddesses, which has a beautiful unique deity called Shri Udangi Prasanna, which is nothing but an ant hill and a Naga deity. So do visit them when you visit Chandrashwar Bhutnath temple, and don't forget to subscribe in details. Namaste and see you soon.